Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City. And today guys, I want to give you a couple tips how to get more photography clients, especially for other photographers that do full photography. I'm gonna give you a couple tips that you guys can do and you guys can follow, you guys can make money. Okay. So the first thing is you need to have a portfolio. You need to have the best photos on your website. It could be 20 photos with the best angles, the best lighting. Make sure you have 20 photos. You don't need to have 100 photos on your website or on your portfolio so you can show your work. Later on, you start putting more, but at least 20 good photos, you're good to go. Now, you approach to these PRs. Who's PRs, Clemente? PRs is public relationship. It's companies that they promote the restaurants. So the restaurants, they don't have to worry about anything. The restaurant don't have to worry about is just cooking the food and nothing else. So these PRs is companies, is people that they promote the restaurants, so the restaurants don't have to stress and they don't have to go crazy how to market themselves. Somebody else is doing it for them. So this is the way you're gonna do it. You approach to this, you go try to see if you can approach and do some kind of meeting with these PRs and be like, listen, I'm a photographer, I would like to work with you, I would like to work with your restaurants, and how can we, support each other out? How can we help each other out? This and that. And you talk to them, make a meeting with them, send them an email, send them a message, call them and be like, I want to do a meeting with you. Is there any way possible I can pass by your office? Then you pass by the office, you dress real nice, you go there, you talk to them, and trust me guys, it's gonna work. Sometimes people don't have time to answer emails. Okay, when you send somebody an email, sometimes they don't have time. They don't have time for that. So sometimes it's better to just do a meeting in person. To go to that person, like old school in the old school days. That I still do it like that. Go to that person, talk to them, and be like, I want to work with you. So how it works? Okay, PRs, they're gonna charge the restaurant some kind of money. Like say you charge, let's say the photographer, right? You charge $1,500. It can work in different ways, okay? The PR is gonna charge the restaurant probably even more than that. They're gonna charge $2,000, $2,500. They're gonna make some commission. They had to make some kind of commission. Sometimes if the budget of the restaurant is kind of tight, you're gonna be able to charge $1,500. Probably sometimes a little bit less. But let's say out of $1,500, right? They keep the 20%. So you have to give them 15-20% of commission to the PR because the PR is getting you the clients. So this works really nice because the way it works, I think is wonderful because you don't have to stress about marketing as a photographer. You don't have to worry about, oh my God, I don't want to have a job this month. I don't want to have a job this month. You don't have to worry about that because you have somebody else who's helping you to get the clients. All you have to do is just give the person a 15-20% of commission. So that's how PR works. So you send them an email, you make a meeting with them, and be like, hey, listen, I want to work with you. Is there any way possible we can work together? So let's say they send you 2 restaurants a month, right? So we're talking about already, let's say charging $1,000, right? And you get paid $1,000, and the PR probably charge $1,500. They keep $500 for them. You keep $1,000 for you. So we're talking about that you're making $1,000 in only one job. So if you do this 4 times a month, 3 or 4 times a month, we're talking about $4,000 a month. By not have to worry about anything, you have somebody else who's getting you the client, and you don't have to go bananas thinking about how you're gonna get full photography clients. Somebody else is helping you. Somebody else is getting you the clients, so you don't have to go crazy how to get these clients. So now another thing you guys can do is, so now we're talking about the PR getting you the clients. Now the second thing is, now you go to the manager and you talk to straight to the restaurants. Sometimes there's restaurants out there that still don't have a PR. So now you can become kind of like a PR for them as a photographer. Why? Because now you can go take the pictures for them, and then if anything, they can even give you the password for the Instagram, and you can take care of everything, all the needs for the restaurant, for the marketing. So now you can become the photographer for the restaurant, the specific photographer for that restaurant. You can become a friend with the owner of the restaurant. So we're talking about now that not only you making money with the PRs, but also now you're making money with another restaurant every single month. So you have 2 passive income every single month making money with your photography. Guys, you need to think outside your box, and you need to put in your head that you need to make it happen no matter what. It's not only about taking beautiful photos. You can take the most beautiful photos, but if you don't do these things, you ain't gonna make money with photography. Simple as that. Now, why? Probably somebody's gonna leave me a comment in this video saying, "Oh, how come they're gonna give you the password for the Instagram?" Guys, if you work with a restaurant and you become like this friend, like good friends with the owner of the restaurant, why not? He can trust you, and he give you the password. You start putting all the pictures there every single month, and you work for them. So you work as a freelance photographer for the restaurant. So now we're talking about you making another $50,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month with this restaurant, doing all the marketing for them, so they don't have to worry about going crazy, like, oh my God, how can I promote now? How can I promote now? So they have now a photographer who's doing all the promotion for them, who's doing all the photos for them, and you making yourself $3,000 a month with that restaurants. So think about, if you do one restaurant, $3,000, and you make another $3,000, $4,000 with a PR, so now you have what, $7,000 a month, $6,000 a month, and that's, you still have more days of the month to keep doing this. So we're talking about, you probably had 20 days more, 25 days more days available to make even more money. Not only this, now, a lot of restaurants, the manager or the employee, sometimes somebody there is probably gonna get married. Somebody's probably there is gonna get doing a wedding. So guess what? You do a wedding. So let's say the chef, right? The chef, he wants to do a couple of headshots. Guess what? You do some headshots. You charge $400-$500 for headshots. So now you're making money right here. You're making money here. You're making money here. It's a puzzle. So you're making money in a little bit everywhere. So guys, it's about that, and open your mind. You know what I'm saying, for like ideas so you guys can make money. Because photography is not only about taking the most beautiful photos. You can take the most beautiful photos, but if you ain't making money and you broke, you broke. You ain't money. You ain't making money. Okay? So start approaching to the PRs. Talk to them. Be like, listen, I want to work with you. It's any way possible that we can work together. And these people, they're going to get you clients, man. You don't have to go crazy thinking about every month, oh my God, I don't have work. How can I make money as a photographer? How can I make money as a photographer? You got somebody else getting you the clients. And this thing works with anything. Let's say weddings, right? You want to make money weddings. Go to talk to the event planners. Event planners, they can send you clients. Talk to the vendors. Talk to the lady that does the flowers. The person who does the decoration, the DJ. Guys, you need to, talk. You need to talk to people so you guys can make money with photography. That's what it's about. You can take the most beautiful photos, but if you don't talk, if you don't open your mouth, and if you don't go do meetings, you ain't gonna make money with photography. Simple as that. Okay? So I trust you. Keep rocking those cameras. See you in the next video, and please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it if you subscribe. I'm gonna give you more tips how to make money with your photography here in New York, or anywhere. I mean, New York, anywhere, guys. So this video is raw. I don't wanna even edit this video. I just wanna put it out there like that. So it is what it is. Okay? And I'm not good talking in front of the camera, as you can see. Sometimes Alright, guys. See you in the next one. See you. Peace.